Welcome to Air Conditioning Products. I'm Christopher Mebus, President and Chief Executive Officer. For over 60 years, Air Conditioning Products has been an industry leader in manufacturing shutters, dampers, and louvers for the HVAC industry. As a world-class manufacturing company, we pride ourselves on a well-built reputation by supplying our customers with integrated, cost-effective solutions for their air control needs. Based in Romulus, Michigan, Air Conditioning Products has been family-owned and operated for 3 generations. With 100,000 square feet of manufacturing space, our state-of-the-art facility allows us to quickly build and deliver products to our customers, fulfilling strict requirements for quality and reliability. Our high volume capacity, combined with short lead times, allows us to handle orders of all sizes and quantities. We specialize in wall shutters, backdraft dampers, motorized dampers, ceiling and gable shutters, and fixed louvers. Our products are used in industrial, commercial, residential, and agricultural applications. Our broad customer base includes leading HVAC manufacturers, OEMs, national and regional distributors, as well as industry-specific companies. At Air Conditioning Products, we are more than just a manufacturing supplier. For more information or questions, please contact us.